Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today we're exploring a key topic that's essential to the success of any organization, operations management. We'll walk you through what it is, its nature, the roles and responsibilities of an operations manager, and its benefits using real-world examples. So without further ado, let's dive right in. First, what is operations management? Operations management, or OM, is the branch of management that deals with overseeing, designing, and controlling the process of production and service delivery. In short, it's about making sure that everything is running efficiently and that the company's resources, like labor, materials, and technology, are used effectively to meet customer demand. Operations management involves various tasks such as managing the supply chain, quality control, scheduling, and inventory management. The goal? To maximize productivity while minimizing costs and maintaining quality. This applies to both manufacturing and service sectors. Importance of operations management. OM is crucial because it ensures that businesses run smoothly. Without it, companies would struggle to deliver products or services efficiently, leading to delays, higher costs, or dissatisfied customers. Operations management keeps everything in balance. Second, the nature of operations management. The nature of operations management is multidimensional and involves various functions like process optimization, resource management, and continuous improvement. 1. Planning and forecasting. The first step in operations management is planning and forecasting. This involves determining what products or services will be offered, how much will be produced, and when. Operations managers need to predict customer demand and adjust resources accordingly. For example, in the retail industry, companies like Zara are known for their fast fashion model, which requires excellent forecasting and planning. Zara can quickly design, produce, and deliver new fashion items based on real-time customer demand, thanks to its efficient operations management practices. 2. Process design and optimization. Next is process design, which is about creating efficient workflows for the production of goods or delivery of services. Operations managers work to streamline these processes, cutting out unnecessary steps and finding better ways to utilize resources. For example, one classic example is Toyota's lean manufacturing system. Toyota revolutionized the auto industry with its efficient production process, reducing waste and improving quality through techniques like just-in-time production and continuous improvement. 3. Resource management. Resource management is another key part of operations management. This involves managing all the resources needed for production, whether that's materials, labor, or equipment, making sure they're used as efficiently as possible. For example, take Amazon, for instance. In their fulfillment centers, they use robots alongside human workers to manage inventory and process orders. This use of technology helps them manage resources efficiently, allowing them to ship millions of products daily. 4. Quality assurance. Operations managers also ensure that products or services meet quality standards. This includes implementing quality control systems and checking for any defects before the product reaches the customer. For example, Apple is known for its stringent quality control. Their production process involves multiple quality checks at different stages, ensuring that every iPhone that leaves the factory meets the company's high standards. Third, duties and responsibilities of an operations manager. So who's responsible for making sure all these processes run smoothly? That would be the operations manager. They play a crucial role in the day-to-day functioning of the business. Let's break down the core duties and responsibilities. 1. Planning and scheduling. One of the primary responsibilities of an operations manager is planning. This includes everything from scheduling production runs to ensuring that resources like labor and raw materials are available at the right time. For example, in a manufacturing plant, the operations manager might plan production schedules months in advance, ensuring that all necessary materials are in place and that labor is scheduled efficiently to meet production deadlines. 2. Process improvement. Another key responsibility is continuous improvement. Operations managers are always looking for ways to make the production process faster, more efficient, and less costly. This often involves using data to track performance and identify bottlenecks. For example, Toyota's commitment to continuous improvement known as Kaizen, involves employees at all levels regularly suggesting small ways to improve efficiency. This approach has helped Toyota maintain its reputation for high-quality, efficient production. 3. Inventory and supply chain management. Operations managers are also responsible for managing inventory and the supply chain. This means ensuring that raw materials are available when needed and that finished products are delivered to customers on time. For example, Walmart. They have one of the most advanced supply chain systems in the world, using real-time data to manage inventory and ensure that products are always available in stores when customers need them. 4. Ensuring compliance and safety. Another important responsibility is ensuring that all production processes comply with industry standards and regulations, especially in industries like healthcare and manufacturing, where safety is paramount. For example, in the food industry, operations managers are responsible for making sure that factories comply with health and safety standards. This involves regular inspections, training staff, and ensuring that food products are produced in a safe and clean environment. Fourth, benefits of effective operations management. Now that we know what an operations manager does, let's look at the benefits of effective operations management. When it's done well, it can lead to massive advantages for a business. First, improved efficiency, effective operations. Management can drastically improve a company's efficiency by reducing waste and optimizing processes. This means that businesses can produce more goods or services with fewer resources, which directly impacts their bottom line. For example, let's look at Tesla's Gigafactory. The automation and streamlined processes at the factory allow Tesla to produce electric vehicles at scale, helping the company meet growing demand while maintaining high-quality standards. Second, better customer satisfaction. Operations management also improves customer satisfaction. When products are produced efficiently and delivered on time, customers are more likely to have a positive experience, which enhances brand loyalty. For example, Starbucks is a great example. Their operations are designed to ensure that every store delivers a consistent experience, no matter where you are in the world. From how their coffee is made to how fast it's served, their efficient operations ensure customer satisfaction. Third, reduced costs. One of the biggest benefits is cost reduction. By optimizing supply chains, reducing waste, and managing inventory efficiently, companies can save a significant amount of money. These savings can be reinvested into the business or passed on to the customer in the form of lower prices. For example, Amazon's use of automation in its fulfillment centers has significantly reduced labor costs while speeding up order processing, making the company more competitive in pricing. 4. Flexibility and adaptability. Effective operations. Management also gives companies the flexibility to adapt to changing market conditions. Whether it's a sudden increase in demand or a supply chain disruption, businesses with strong operations can pivot quickly. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, many companies had to quickly adapt to new challenges. Companies like Zoom and Netflix scaled their operations rapidly to meet the growing demand for remote work tools and streaming services. Fifth, challenges in operations management. While operations management brings many benefits, it also comes with its own set of challenges. 1. Managing costs. One of the biggest challenges is managing costs. Companies have to find ways to reduce expenses without compromising on quality or customer satisfaction. For example, in the retail industry, operations managers must balance inventory levels. Too much stock ties up capital and increases storage costs, while too little leads to stockouts and lost sales. 2. Supply chain disruptions. Supply chain disruptions are another major challenge. Whether it's a natural disaster, a global pandemic, or political instability, disruptions can cause delays and increase costs. For example, during the COVID-19 pandemic, industries like automotive faced significant challenges due to semiconductor shortages. Operations managers had to quickly adapt by sourcing alternative suppliers or adjusting production schedules. 3. Maintaining quality. As companies scale their operations, maintaining consistent quality becomes difficult. Ensuring that products meet customer expectations is a constant balancing act for operations managers. 6th, real-time examples in various industries. Let's now look at some real-world examples of operations management in different industries, so you can see how versatile and essential this function is. First, manufacturing industry. Example Tesla. Tesla's Gigafactory is a perfect example of operations management in action in the manufacturing sector. Tesla uses advanced robotics, AI, and automation to streamline the production process, which allows them to produce high-quality electric vehicles efficiently. Their focus on optimizing operations has helped them become a leader in the EV market. Second, service industry. Example, Starbucks. In the service industry, Starbucks is known for its efficient operations management, from sourcing coffee beans to ensuring that each store is fully stocked and staffed. Starbucks runs like a well-oiled machine. Their operations are designed to ensure that customers get the same quality service no matter which location they visit. Third, healthcare industry. Example, hospitals. Operations management is just as important in healthcare. Hospitals need to manage patient flow, optimize staff schedules, and ensure that medical equipment is functioning. Operations managers in hospitals are responsible for making sure that resources like beds, medical supplies, and staff are available, especially during emergencies or pandemics like COVID-19. So there you have it, a comprehensive overview of operations management, from its core components to real-world examples and the challenges and benefits it brings. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more business insights. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.